Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming physical connections and BIOS detection, because most unknown SSDs are simple connectivity or mode issues. Power down, reseat the SATA/USB cable, try another port, and reboot into BIOS to ensure the drive is visible and OSI is enabled. Once done, boot to Windows or a recovery USB, open Disk Management, or run Disk Part List Disk to see whether the drive appears. This tells you whether to proceed with software fixes or consider hardware diagnostics. If the SSD is visible but uninitialized or has corrupt partitions, initialize it as GPT for modern UEFI systems or MBR for legacy boots. This matters for boot compatibility. If partitions are damaged, open an elevated command prompt and use disk part. Select the correct disk, run clean to remove partition tables, create partition primary, format fs equals ntfs quick, and assign a letter. These steps rebuild partition data structures so the OS can mount the drive and restore normal read/write access. Finish by verifying file system integrity and enabling SSD features. Run chkdsk to fix errors and ensure trim is enabled so performance stays healthy. Update the SSD firmware and the motherboard storage drivers because incompatibilities can hide drives. Once formatted and healthy, run a smart check with the vendor tool to confirm hardware status. If the drive still isn't detected, make sure to test with a different adapter or PC. If diagnostics fail, contact the manufacturer for RMA as the final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.